Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to provide your child with some kind of entertainment, whether it's a phone or a tablet. If your child's anything like mine, he will complain the entire time I do his hair. Next, get your water to a good temperature and put a towel around their neck so their shirt doesn't get wet. I have to wash my son's hair at the sink because he has a cast on and he can't get it wet in the bath. For shampoo, I am using OGX Quenching Coconut Curls. This stuff works wonders. It is sulfate free. I love using the shampoo and the conditioner, but I'm currently out of the conditioner, so we won't be using that today. For conditioner, I'm using Pantene Curl Perfection. I love using Pantene conditioners. They always give you a good amount, and the conditioners are always so thick and creamy. It's really good for curly hair. I usually go back and forth with me and my son's hair between the Pantene conditioner and the OGX Argan Oil conditioner. They're both really good for curls. Okay, so while I let the conditioner sit in his hair, now's a good time to detangle his hair because my son will not let me brush his hair for anything, so I'm going to go ahead and detangle his hair right now. I wrapped my son's hair with a cotton t-shirt. Cotton t-shirts are so good for people with curly hair because when you take it off, it doesn't leave your hair frizzy like a towel would, and it leaves in all the moisture. It doesn't take out so much moisture as a towel would. So the first step in the LOC method is the leave-in conditioner. I am using Cantu. Usually I'll use either Cantu or Shea Moisture, but you can use any kind of leave-in conditioner, or you can even use a conditioner that you wash your hair with. Just don't wash it out in the shower. O stands for oil. Oil is really good after a leave-in conditioner because it's supposed to lock in that moisture. You can really use any kind of oil. I'm just using the Blue Magic coconut oil because it smells so good and it goes on so smooth. I'm just brushing the oil and the conditioner nice and evenly through his hair. I am using the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. The C stands for cream. This is any kind of curl cream used to define the curls. Now that his hair has been detangled, I like to use a regular brush to get those curls to stick together. Last, I like to use a gel just because his hair can get really fluffy, and what I'm using is Miss Jess's Jelly Soft Curls. You can put it in the hair and it won't get hard or crunchy, but it'll still keep their hair really defined. I always ask him to shake his head so it can really loosen up his roots, so his curls aren't just laid on his head. I like it to be really voluminous whenever it dries. Okay, so now we are waiting for his hair to dry, and we will be back with a finished look. Wow, look at me.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can tell, it's not completely dry, but he's been running around and playing, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching.